Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cut slits into the steak before marinating to allow the flavor to penetrate deeper into the meat. Do not overcook the steak. Steak for fajitas should be cooked to rare or medium rare for the best texture and flavor. Slice thinly, against the grain.
Take our lead.
Searing the whole breast will most likely result in moister chicken, while slicing it first should result in more browned crispy bits. It all depends on your method and preference. You season, or marinade, then sear to lock in those flavors.
Take our lead.
Turn the steak over and grill on the other side. 2 minutes for medium rare, approximately 4 minutes for medium and up to 6 minutes for well done. The Food and Drug Administration recommends that beef cooks to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.